basketball icon ni Danny Irving, no? And napupuntahan niya si Boss Jonah. Sabi nga ni Boss Jonah, down. Yes. Grabe, slashing through the ring. Boss Jonah! No good. This is the one-hander. Gali Jimenez. Gali Jimenez setting up the play, taking the two. No good. Jerry. Jonah. And one. Too strong. Rebound. Foul on the rebound. Yes, alam mo talagang palaban itong mga Bruce ko. Dito, walang line play dito. Palaban talaga ito mga. That's the 16th foul. So no more force coming for either team. And we have a 5-point lead in favor of Jerry. Ito na, munti. Yun ang diskarte niya ng Easy Jersey. Pagkakascore yung Bruce ko, labas agad si Gary Irving. Ang palino din. Mabilis na ang play ng Easy Jersey. Oh, Gary Irving will be goal for a technical due to creating a foul. That's very crucial para sa kanilang pasok na lang.
Wala pa naman si Iman.
In favor of Easy Jersey, and Bossy Jonah will take a technical chance of putting it in. Oh!
So Valde here is in Jersey over the limit.
Sayang ang opportunity for Bossy Jonah. And here we go. Kaso Bossy
Jonah, once again. Ayaw ng tulong ni Jonah.
Posing it up. Pipilitin.
Oh! Hindi pa pakawalan ng motivated players.
Correct, hindi pa pakawalan because when you lose the great player at the motivated for the next team, and the next entering a wave to the crowd was a
11 to 9, 2-point deficit in favor of Easy Jersey.
Here we go. Here we go, Bossy Jonah will connect. And again, too short.
8 points already for Seahawks. Oh!
You want some blue ball.
Grabe intensity ng bawat koponan, walang gustong magpatalo. Motivated AXT, tenacity at his finest. Ito, Rong bigay sa loob. Way no good. Rebound by Derek. Labas ng Bruce.
Kaya mo yan! Nice one!
Irving. And reset. It was a 6-point lead earlier. It's down to 1.
Ito na. Jared. Steven. Kylie Irving. That's it. Alam mo na, hindi na gaano nakakakuha ng yung Bruce Kylie Irving kasi yung labanan ay talagang ikot.
And it's a 2-point lead for Easy Jersey. And another for Kylie Irving for Easy Jersey.
Dario. Wala sila. Huwag siyang bibigyan ng helicopter. No good at the first, but one more for Boss Jonah.
3-point lead. Boss Jonah will drive.
Rebound by Derek.
good. Okay, it's all good. Here we go, Kyrie Irving.
2-point ball game.
With 3 for 2. And the rebound.
Even Jose doon hype na hype sa laban na ito. Naging commentator bigla si Jose Mendoz.
Nagdagaan ang commentation.
Nagdagaan ang trabaho ko. Ito na.
This is the first jump ball of our game. Ganong atindi ang laban. 1 minute 51 seconds left. Kyrie Irving. Dancing on the floor, mid-range shot.
Jared.
Still no good. Kita talaga ang ating easy jersey. Once again for the lines and sound, ang ating lighting, steady light ng utang.
Yes po, pag hindi ko ma-distract sa player po natin.
Once again for our lights and sound, please, standing wide only.
And completed with 2 free throws. They will want the ball back. 1 minute 26 remaining. Ang tagal pa nito.
Still a 1-point lead for easy jersey. And what a defensive goal by Kyrie Irving.
Very wide pass by Kyrie Irving. Buying some time here.
1 minute left. Kyrie Irving setting up the play. Wrong presentation. And he's good!
O, labas!
And imagine, with a few seconds, not a 2 points, si Kyrie Irving. Tossing Jordan time is game. Here we go. But the ball will go. Defeated the champion of season 1.